Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student, and this is a gland. This part is drawing here a gland. Okay, this body is a valve design project, and this part is a gland, and this part is also a gland. This part is a separate here, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And all today drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and all geometry is showing here right view. Then also this plane is a right view plane, right plane, and all geometry is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This part is designed here easily and clearly, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is a this body is assembled here. Okay, this part is drawing here easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect and all side is a perfect. So here, okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a very nice looking here, and this material is apply here a nickel. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is a at first use a part is select here, and some setting is very important. A plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and then this is all geometry is showing here a right view, and this length is a 13.5 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter, and this height is 12 millimeter, and upper height is 6 millimeter, and this length is a 6.5 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter, and this fillet is used here a 1.3 millimeter, and this chamfer 1 millimeter and 30-degree angle, and last is a hexagon is drawing here 8 millimeter is extrude cut, and this is a distance is a 27 millimeter. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select a plane is right plane is better. Okay, and select a center line. Center line is a drawing here is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a horizontal line, and select a line. Geometry is a simple geometry is drawing here this. Okay, at first this to this, and select here this geometry is showing here is perfect. Okay, this is a correct and connect to this. Okay, this geometry is very important and drawing here, and align all dimension. At first select here this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This body is a drawing here. Okay, some edit this. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 13.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a perfect, this is a 13.5 millimeter, and this is 10 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter and 12 millimeter, and this is a length is 6 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 6 millimeter, and okay, and this length is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect, and select a this is a 12 millimeter this. Okay, and also this length is a 2 millimeter. Okay, all is a looking perfect, and all is a okay. This distance is a 6 millimeter. This is a correct, and select this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is correct, all geometry is correct here, and because all is fully defined, and use a revolve boss apply here, and select this axis. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. This body is designed, and also some fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1.3 millimeter, because this is a fillet and this is chamfer. 1.3 millimeter, and select this edge, and OK, and also select a chamfer is a 1 millimeter and 30-degree angle is perfect, and select this edge, click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is a use here this hexagon is this drawing here. Select this face, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon as this. Okay, and this point and this is point is a horizontal and also select this to this is a 27 millimeter. Okay, also is perfect, and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut is a perfect line, and use a flip side to cut use here, and this is a 8 millimeter is better, and flip side to cut is perfect, because this is a 8 millimeter is this height, and cut is a flip side to cut, and click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect and better, and material is apply here. Material is this nickel metal, and going to steel is a polished steel is perfect. Okay, okay, all geometry is looking here, all geometry is used here easily and clearly. Okay, this is body is a perfect drawing here. Okay, 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 I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.